Welcome to the Banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the exact sensor model and battery type, so you buy the correct replacement. This avoids frying electronics. Once done, put your alarm or system into test or safe mode to prevent false triggers. Next, position a stable ladder and wear gloves for grip and protection. Unscrew or unlatch the sensor cover using the appropriate screwdriver, keep screws in a small container, and gently pull the cover away. Don't yank the wiring. You're beginning the only safe, correct method. You now focus on removing the old battery while noting the orientation markings so you can replace it correctly. That step prevents reverse polarity damage. Once noted, use a plastic pry tool or your fingertip to lift the cell straight out. Avoid metal tools that short contacts. Inspect the battery compartment contacts for corrosion or debris. If present, lightly clean with a cotton swab and 90% isopropyl alcohol. After cleaning, let it dry. This ensures reliable contact and prevents shorts when you install the new cell. You place the new battery in the exact orientation you observed, handle it by the edges, and avoid touching the contacts to preserve conductivity. Once seated, reattach the cover and tighten screws snugly but not over-tightened, then return your alarm to normal operation mode. Walk test the sensor to confirm motion detection and check the control panel for battery status. If the sensor doesn't respond, try a hard reset per the sensor's label, reseat the battery, and recheck contact cleanliness. This trouble.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.